Hello YouTube, welcome back to Delta tutorial guys. I'm going to tell you how you are going to get the working version of the Delta Executor on your mobile device, no matter you are using the iOS or Android device guys. And for iOS you don't need to jailbreak your device to get the Delta Executor, and you don't need PC to sideload it. Here you can see that's the keyless version. I have just got in the Delta Executor, and here is the menu part. You can see the script blocks, and there's the menu setting part, anti-scam, disable Roblox, anti-scam, a lot of things you can see here. And here you can see I have launched the Blox Fruit, and for Blox Fruit let me execute the script on my Blox Fruit game. That's the Red Hub script, which is the most popular script for the Red Blox Fruit. You can see simply tap on execute selected script, and script has been executed, you can see. And the menu of the auto farm level, new auto kill, auto select boss, a lot of things you can see here. So guys, that's how you can use the Delta Executor. This is the newest version, and guys, to get it, what you need to do is pretty simple. You need to go to the robloxing.com. so guys, make sure you're spelling it right, as the robloxing.com. and over here you are going to see the options for Delta Executor, Roblox scripts, other executors. Go for the top one, which is Delta Executor. And now you can see here that the last update of 24 August here. And now account connection, you need to enter your Roblox username so that system could connect with the Delta Executor API. Tap on connect account after you enter your Roblox username, and now here user has been found and account has been connected. And now guys, that's the latest version part. Tap over here so that we can get the working and newest version. And here you want the script for without key, go for it. Select the script you want. Red Hub Overflow for the 99 nights, and for Forge Hub, Nike, Seluna, a lot of scripts has been listed. Okay, now we are done here. Tap on continue, and here we go. Now it's gonna connect with the Delta Executor server. Okay, you can see. Okay, install has been generating and the API has been connected. You can see, okay, here is the account has been connected. You can see there's the activation key in front of you guys, and you can see the last 2 digits of the activation key is been hidden. What we need to do is very simple. Simply tap on, here is the Google reCAPTCHA, tap on it and you will get the remaining part of the key unlocked. So guys, that's how you can actually do that. Okay, so let me open the Delta Executor again, and here good for the Blox Fruit. And and guys, you don't have to delete the Roblox game as well. It will get you without deleting it guys. And here let me show you. Okay, and I have shown you how you can actually execute the scripts. Okay, Red Hub, go for the Red Hub, execute selected scripts, and that's how you can use it. So guys, enjoy the tutorial video and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel guys. Thanks for watching.